Hailey, you gonna do the little 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 little? You do it? You do it? Hey.
You do.
Will you eat your dinner? See what, my dinner? Stuffed shells and cheese. And crazy animals. This is what I deal with and live with every day. Look at these crazy. Crazy. You do it? You want to do it? Huh?
That's not waking you up in the morning.
Where are you going? You got little out. What do you think? Are they crazy? They crazy. Well, you got all kinds of eats over there. Oranges and pears and cheese bread. Is it good? Is it good? Really? Really?
Do you hear me?
Yep. Where are you going? You gonna hide in the closet? You can't fit in there. You can't fit in there. Bye. You can't fit in there. You can't fit in there.
Too big. Stop eating so much.
You want mommy to get in there.
Mommy's big butt ain't fitting in there.
Bye. Hey, Hailey. Hailey, can you say bye and sign off with the Daily Hailey Show?
That's not what you do.
Hailey.
Say bye.
Hailey, say bye-bye for now.
Bye.